Do not stair up the steps to success. Step up the stairs to succeed. The step up is a great all-inclusive exercise that is perfect for all. It can be modified to create an exciting workout for anyone because it has low risk of injury. With a few modifications, Step Up offers a good cardio and strength workout. The Step Up exercise strengthens each leg individually. It builds equal strength on each side and does not favor one leg over the other. As we step up with one leg at a time, our balance and steadiness improve. Remember, my dear students, there is no one giant step that does it. It's a lot of little steps. Keep moving and stay healthy.